It has happened every single time previously. It will happen again this time. Okay. And you need to get your family members into this. Okay. You need to get them into this coin. But before I tell you why you need to get them into this coin, let's read the article. Okay, so Bitcoin hit its all-time high this week and it isn't triggering overvaluation concerns from investors. People see the rise in Bitcoin price as more likely to succeed. Well, duh. For stocks, at certain point, people say, this is overvalued. Bitcoin is not overvalued. Bitcoin is undervalued. Bitcoin should be worth about 120, 130,000 right now, but it's not because people don't believe in it because Bitcoin goes up and down, and people think that it's a scam and therefore it doesn't reach its actual value. Okay. However, without the same financial performance metrics, when Bitcoin's price goes up, people view it more likely that it will succeed, of course, and therefore be even more valuable. Yes, definitely. It's always been the case. It will always continue to be the case. At the time of this publication, Bitcoin is $79,000. Wow. It's trading at 77,000, but it's actually 79,000. Okay. So this article is about 2-3 days old. During the United States presidential election trading week, U.S. spot VTF recorded inflows totally approximating $1.63 billion came into Bitcoin. Okay. And this is because Donald Trump was elected and Donald Trump is a Republican, and Republicans are always do better, or at least they always do better for investors. They may not do necessarily better for the economy, but they always do better for investors, for businesses, because they are heavily focused on reducing taxes. And anytime a business has to pay a lot in taxes, the first person that actually suffers from the taxes is their bottom line. And sometimes they reduce the amount of income that their employees get. Okay. I'm not saying that Republicans are good or Republicans are bad. I'm just saying the truth of the matter. Other Bitcoiners have shared similar sentiment with no fears of overvaluation as assets continue to trade above its all-time high of $73,000. That just happened in March. Okay. So Bitcoin is continuing to grow. Okay. So someone says, today I own 73 whole Bitcoins. God damn. Robert Kiyosaki, the creator of Rich Dad Poor Dad. A year from now, I intend to own 100 Bitcoin. Yes, he's very rich. And a year from now, Bitcoin is going to be at least $140,000. So 100 times that means that he's going to have about $14 million worth of Bitcoin. 14 million. Worst case scenario. I bought my first Bitcoin at $6,000. Yep. And now Bitcoin, mind you, no one really cares about Bitcoin right now. He bought it at $6,000, right? Bitcoin was $6,000